Yours.
You think that was an accident?
No.
No, me neither. Lesper, short for Lazarus. He who is risen from the dead. Reuben. Genesis chapter 29, verse 32. Behold a son. You put those two together, Lesber, and you have behold a son who is risen from the dead. That's no accident. Hate put me in prison. Love's gonna bust me